Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some surprising truths about building wealth with OnPassive. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or spending hours glued to your computer screen. We're talking about leveraging AI and automated tools to build sustainable long-term wealth. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down how OnPassive can transform your financial future. We'll explore this revolutionary platform, from its AI-powered tools to its passive income potential. Stay tuned. But before we jump in, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, please like and comment below. Thanks. We live in the age of information, and AI is a game changer in this digital era. AI is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and build wealth. It's analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making decisions with incredible speed and accuracy. OnPassive has developed AI-powered tools to help you build wealth online. These tools automate tasks, optimize marketing campaigns, and identify profitable opportunities. OnPassive's AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Time is our most valuable asset. In today's fast-paced world, managing time efficiently can be a game changer for any business. What if you could reclaim your time and still build a thriving online business? Imagine having more hours in your day to focus on what truly matters. That's the beauty of OnPassive's automated tools. They are designed to take over repetitive tasks, allowing you to concentrate on growth and innovation. These tools streamline every aspect of your online business, freeing up your time and energy. From marketing to customer service, everything is handled seamlessly. Imagine not having to spend countless hours on tedious tasks like email marketing or social media management. Instead, you can focus on strategic planning and creative endeavors. OnPassive's tools handle everything from generating leads to managing customer support. This ensures that no aspect of your business is neglected. This automation saves you time, increases efficiency, and ensures your business runs smoothly. You can track performance and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock. With OnPassive, you can achieve a perfect balance between work and life, maximizing productivity and enjoying more free time. Let's talk about the holy grail of financial freedom: passive income. It's the dream of earning money without constant effort, freeing up your time for what truly matters. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. Passive income allows you to enjoy life to the fullest without financial stress. With OnPassive, it's entirely possible. This innovative platform leverages advanced technology to create automated income streams. OnPassive allows you to generate income passively, even when you're not actively working. You can be anywhere in the world and still see your earnings grow. This means you can break free from the 9-to-5 grind and design the life you've always wanted. No more being tied down to a desk or a rigid schedule. You can spend more time with family, pursue your passions, or simply relax. Imagine having the freedom to do what you love every single day. The income potential with OnPassive is unlimited, allowing you to achieve financial abundance. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a life of freedom and fulfillment. So, how do you get started with OnPassive? It's easier than you might think. OnPassive offers a simple registration process to start building your online business. You'll have access to resources, training materials, and support from experienced mentors. Success with OnPassive takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve anything. Take the first step towards financial freedom today and join the OnPassive revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. We're on a mission to empower individuals to take control of their financial futures. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Don't wait for opportunity to not create your own with OnPassive. We'll be back next week with more tips, strategies, and success stories to help you achieve your financial goals. For more information about OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.